want to change your name on YouTube but not sure how, we are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube username. Now, let's get started to change your username on YouTube. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture at the bottom. Then tap View Channel. Tap the pencil icon, then select Handle. Erase your current handle and type in what you'd like your new handle to be. Keep in mind that this will be your unique identifier on YouTube and will also become your channel URL to confirm your new handle. Tap Save. If you're looking to change your channel name as well, you can do so here by tapping Name. Then you can go back to your channel and see your new updated username. That's all it takes to change your username on YouTube. Want to change your name on TikTok too? Check out this tutorial. Next, click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.